Hello everyone, welcome to Karunya. We're currently standing at the entrance of our beautiful campus. We're located really close to Sirwani, so we have this beautiful view of the mountains. And God has blessed us with this amazing monsoon season right now, so it's setting a real pleasant atmosphere for all of us. Come, let's hop on and start the tour. This huge university occupies 700 acres of land. On the right, you will see Bethesda. This is the place we all come to pray and have this wonderful time of serenity. And it's a very beautiful place. You must check it out. Onto the right, we have this wonderful CCD. We spend most of our time there when we have breaks so that we could catch up with our friends, have a tea, have a coffee, and spend our time there. This is our main admin block. It is the main attraction to the whole campus because it's surrounded by beautiful mountains. This is also a photo spot for most of our people because it sets a really cool background and it also helps us show off how beautiful our college is. This is where all our college officials sit, including our chancellor, our pro-vice chancellor, our registrar, and it's also closely situated towards the student section and the finance office. So any queries that you have about that, you can always come up here. There's also an incubation center for an internship going around here, and it's all present in our beautiful admin block. We have a Cessna aeroplane here. It is kept there for the training of our aerospace students. There's a parking lot close by. We have a vending machine with our print shop here. So every time we have a small break or we need a craving or we need a refreshment, we come here to the vending shop. And we often need to take a lot of printouts, so the EC print shop comes real handy. There's an NCC office and our management building right here. We have a cake shop close by, so that's also a place for refreshment. And we get juices and fresh juices and cakes and all kinds of pastries there. This is our wonderful civil department. It has so many amazing facilities and amazing laboratories. It has a NASA laboratory and there are many more labs. Our CTC is our main hub for technology. So we have multiple labs with really sophisticated technology that help us enhance our experience as computer science students. So it comes really handy for all our labs and we have a wonderful time there at all. We have a utility store, so any small needs that we have like chart paper or stationery or any small snacks that we need, they're always available for us. This is our artificial intelligence and machine learning block and our data science and cybersecurity block. These are upcoming divisions in our college and these are really well established, amazing teachers and amazing faculty. Mechanical engineering building and the aerospace building are close by each other. There's a wonderful rocket in display to show the splendor of the department. We're surrounded by 3 auditoriums, Elohim, Emmanuel, and El Shaddai. Emmanuel is our biggest auditorium here inside the campus. We have our morning assemblies and it's always a blast because we get to enjoy the beautiful scenery while walking towards the campus. And our wonderful canteen, we are always here most of the times because we get amazing food here. And it really gives us a time of fellowship and togetherness because we spend our time with our friends here. And it's really fun. We have our agricultural labs here. Most of our agri students spend their times here. Now we are in CSC, one of the biggest departments in our college. It is very populated and it is towards the end of the college. So that always gives us an amazing view of the mountains and it's always cool and always breezy and it's a wonderful place to be. We have our media department here. They're responsible for all of our wonderful promotions and all of our visual beauty in this college. We also have a well-equipped library. Any book we ever need, we have reference books, we have novels, we have poems, all kinds of prose and poetry is always available. This is another CTC lab that we have. It's also very well equipped with computers and all kinds of devices that might ever come in need for all of us students studying technology. This is also a placement and training center. So all our fourth years who are ready to get placed or our third years are ready to get placed are always trained here in this building. And our main attraction is the butterfly garden. It is rightly placed under the mountains and it has beautiful flowers and butterflies and all kinds of beautiful insects always roaming around in it. And it's wonderful to always go by. They have a medicinal plant garden. So any kind of plant that we need is always available here. And the agricultural department students are wonderfully taking care of it. We have beautiful roses and all different kinds of wonderful flowers always in bloom throughout the year. We have our robotics department and electrical and engineering department and a biomedical department here. They're all combined in one department and it's a huge and beautiful department. And we have a biotechnology and food processing department here. There's also an animal house that has all kinds of animal learning things that we need for our department. We're standing in front of the EC department, and it was established in 1986. We provide 2 courses with specializations in AI, ML, IoT, amongst various other things. It is also NBA accredited and provides top-notch facilities including VLSI designs and others. We have our agricultural ISDF and forensic science departments are all situated towards the beginning of our campus. It's a very beautiful building, and it has a lot of labs and a lot of infrastructure that helps the students study. This is our El Shaddai auditorium, and it's a very cute and small auditorium. It's for all the first years who have their assembly here. Our commerce department is also situated here, so all our commerce students have a wonderful time in this building. This was a small tour of our beautiful campus. See you in the next one. Admissions are open now, by the way, for all the departments: computer science, management, civil, mechanical, ISDF, digital forensics, media, commerce, and many more departments. So hop on and grab the opportunity to join this college.